Alright, we're back again with another 2004 Ford F-150. The complaint on this one is an AC complaint. It's an AC complaint about noise. Let me go ahead and turn the AC on here. I'm going to put it on max. I think you could already hear it. Put the windows up. Let me turn it even higher so you can hear it a little better. So you guys heard the noise. Now I know it's probably a simple fix. I know that it's probably gonna be the blower motor, but I still gotta make sure that there's nothing stuck in there. I gotta make sure that there's no rats, no squirrels, raccoons, fucking bird, some kind of creature, you know. So I figured it'd be a fun video. It's gonna be probably pretty quick because it's only 3 bolts to take that blower motor out, and if we don't find anything in there and it ends up being the blower motor, then that's what it is. But still got to do it. It's gonna be short and quick, and should be fun. So let's go. All right, so we're looking at the blower motor right there. It's just 3, I believe it's 8mm bolts. I'm gonna bring it down, and then I'm gonna turn the AC on, and I'm gonna see if there's nothing in there. Then I have to see and turn it on and make sure that the noise is actually coming from the blower motor and there's nothing in there that's flapping and making that noise. So let me take that out for you, and then once it's out, we'll try it on, turn it on, and see what it does. There's one. I'm doing this here because I want you guys to see if anything falls out of there. If not, it's probably just gonna be the motor itself, like the bushings or something. I'm gonna look into investing into some more tools. Cordless ratchet, because this thing is hard to get up in here. Shouldn't be this hard. Just take me like 2 minutes. 2 seconds to get this shit out. Okay, let me try something else. I need to invest to some cordless shit because dragging this air hose around is a pain in the ass. Probably should have taken this back one off first. Okay, it's free. Let's see if we got a bird up in here. See what we got. I can already feel a little bit of looseness here. I think I should have unplugged it first. It's hard to get, it's a tight fit up in here. So I gotta get rid of this. Okay, it's gonna be a longer video than I thought. Jesus. I just want something natural. I think I'm gonna unplug it and I'll get it out. It'll be the best thing. It's the hardest thing to do. Yeah. He's out. Okay, now it should be easier, right? Oh yeah, look at that. think it's flexible. Get out. They want to see you over here. Well, looks like nothing's in here. Alright, so I got the blower motor out. It's actually plugged in right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start the truck. Even though it doesn't have to be running, you can just do it with the key on. But I'm gonna turn the AC on. See what we hear. Because there was no creature inside. Put it a little faster. You can see it kind of wobbling. Now when it was inside of there, the reason it was louder was because it was flapping and it was actually hitting the housing. You can actually see a little bit of play here. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, you can see that. So that play, that's the bearing. This motor is gonna have to be swapped out. I probably won't show you how to put it back in because it's a pain in the ass to film. It's a tight spot under there. Once I put the other one in, we'll check it out and listen for any more noise. If not, then this is a fix. And I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, got that new blower motor in. This is the old one right here. Let me show you again. For those of you I want to see it again. There's a little bit of play in there. On this one, there is absolutely no play. Now let me go ahead and start it and we'll listen to it. Check it out. Nice. It even feels like it blows harder, so that's a good one. Let me just bolt it back on there for you and then we'll try it once it's in there, but I'm gonna call this a fix. Alright, blower motor in. You guys heard it outside. It wasn't making any noise. Now we're gonna start it. Make sure that once it's inside the casing or the housing, it's not gonna make any noise for the customer. It's gonna be good to go. Quick and simple. There was no rats, no rodents, no hummingbirds, no fucking cats, dogs, squirrels, raccoons, none of that shit. So we got lucky. I mean, we would have smelled it, you know? So let's go ahead and start it. And listen for some noise. Oh yeah. No noise. We're good to go on this one. That's it, guys.